Allen says the snowstorm is going to have big impacts in Teller County this weekend. He says Woodland Park could see a foot or more of snow from this storm. Let's give you a live look at what's going on right now in Woodland Park. News 5's Patrick Mucinek spent the day in Teller County, where city crews have been preparing their trucks and snowplows.
It's the calm before the storm here in Teller County, which may see over a foot of snow. Director of Public Works Fred Clifford tells us his crew spent the last 2 days preparing their trucks.
A lot of the equipment is being checked over in our fleet maintenance shop, and so we feel like we're ready for the storm.
Clifford tells us he's operating 3 night shift routes.
And they will be called in as necessary tonight as the snowstorm develops, and then the day crew of 14 will be in at 4 a.m. in the morning, and then Teller County does plow continuously until the storm ends.
He does have one concern as the storm approaches.
We know that it's warm outside and that the snow could freeze, and so we would just advise caution to those traveling tonight and be prepared for any conditions, drive defensively, and give the plows plenty of room to do their jobs.
I reached out to the city of Woodland Park for an update on their preparations, but no one was available to speak with me. In Woodland Park today, people were out enjoying the afternoon sunshine. They say they are ready for the storm and the cleanup to come.
I'm excited because this town does a great job of clearing the streets and getting this park, this beautiful park, ready for people to walk and kids to play. So I'm ready.
We're really lucky that CDOT and Teller County, where we are, do a really good job of taking care of the roads and the streets and our neighbors.
A CDOT spokesperson tells us their crews are already out on the roads. They'll operate about 20 plows in Teller, El Paso, and Pueblo counties until this storm is over. So here's a look at where we are in Colorado Springs and Pueblo in terms of snowfall through the beginning of February compared to years past. As of yesterday, there have been 24.9 inches of snowfall at the Springs Airport so far this season. It is the second highest amount of snowfall the airport has seen through February 1st in the last 10 years. The most was 26.3 inches. That happened February 1st, 2020. At the Pueblo Airport, they have seen 13.6 inches as of yesterday. Over the last 10 years, that is the 6th most. The most was 23.5 inches all the way back in 2016. You can stay on top of any road conditions or closures with the News 5 weather app. Free to download, free to use. Just search for KOAA News 5 on your favorite streaming device or use the camera on your phone. Scan that code to get our News 5 app.